Founded in the year of 2010, JNCT Bistart Metals and Plastics Products Co. Ltd has a factory building area of 23,000 square meters, located in Hsinchu Industrial Zone, Rongcheng District, JNCT, Guangdong Province, China, with a team of more than 300 staff. It is a high-tech enterprise integrating development, design, production and sales of stainless steel tableware and kitchenware products with self-supporting import and export rights. It specializes in the production and sales of various stainless steel tableware and kitchenware products. The company is committed to research and development, design, and manufacturing of stainless steel knives, forks, and spoons, focusing on the series of stainless steel Western tableware knives, forks, and spoons. The clean, comfortable, and lean unitized production site, equipped with modern production equipment, ensures the production of high-quality products. Stringent quality testing and control ensure the implementation of online production management. Our brand, Firestar, has now entered the homes of users worldwide. The product quality is produced according to the EU international standard, with high-quality products and a perfect service system. The products are exported to foreign countries and supplied to supermarkets, hotels, restaurants, and online stores abroad on a long-term basis. The comprehensive enterprise qualifications and recognition by the Science and Technology Bureau, as well as the BSCI, ISO 9001 certification, and ISO 14001 certification, lay a solid foundation for the globalization of the products. For more than 10 years, our technical team has been dedicated to the research and innovation of knives, forks, and spoons, with a group of professional core technology talents, from research and design, production, quality inspection to packaging. We have professional teams in each field. Our company supports product customization and wholesale in large and small quantities, and we can provide goods sources for both online platforms and offline physical stores. Next, I would like to show you our production workshop. The first floor of Building B is our hardware stamping workshop, specializing in the processing and production of knife, fork, and spoon products. The workshop covers an area of about 2,000 square meters and is equipped with 40 professional production personnel. The production process is mainly semi-automatic, with a total of 18 production lines. The production equipment is complete, including 18 hydraulic machines, 18 horizontal presses, 55 stamping machines, 3 high-performance automatic material feeders, 2 planers, 1 straightening machine, and 1 shearing machine. Our company has 40 years of industry production and manufacturing experience and has a very strict production control process. Each product must go through processes such as material cutting, embossing, horizontal extension, trimming, and pressing before it can be sent to the next workshop. Efficiency and quality are our standards. The entire workshop can produce 3 million to 6 million pieces per month. The area opposite the hardware workshop is our production mold room, where nearly 1,000 sets of molds are stored. No matter what style or specification you need, our company can customize production for you. The ground floor of Building B has 800 square meters of hand polishing workshop. The second floor is our finished polishing workshop of 2,000 square meters, and the third floor is semi-finished polishing workshop of 2,000 square meters. Our polishing equipments are complete. The polishing workshop has 2 automatic curved polishing lines with 31 sets, 2 automatic flat polishing lines with 28 sets, 2 automatic semi-finished flat polishing lines with 24 sets, 2 manual horizontal grinding lines and 2 manual straight grinding lines with 26 sets, 1 manual flat polishing line with 8 sets, 8 sets of manual edge grinding machines, 11 sets of manual polishing machines, 5 sets of sanding belt machines, 2 sets of fork seam grinders, 2 finished product cleaning lines and 3 semi-finished product cleaning lines. The equipment in the cutlery workshop has 5 sets of water grinder and 4 sets of sand blaze machine. After all the tableware molds are stamped, we will come to the polishing step, and the small tableware for daily use will go through all kinds of complicated processes. The operation process mainly includes edge grinding, flat polishing, cleaning, QC for semi-finished products, edge polishing, curving polishing, cleaning, QC for finished products, up-bag packing. In the whole production process, each piece of tableware has professional engineers and experienced operators, and implements strict quality control standards. In building the underground floor, we have our titanium plating workshop. This area is equipped with 5 advanced titanium plating furnaces and 3 fully automated assembly lines. The titanium plating process undergoes rigorous design and meticulous implementation, including quantity check, goods sorting, cleaning, quality control, hanging onto shelf, moving into furnace, out of furnace, taking off shelf, quality control, off-bag packing, counting, and into warehouse. We strive for consistency in every step to ensure both quality and production efficiency. Each step of our production line is carefully inspected and quality controlled by dedicated personnel to ensure that every product meets the highest standards. In the spirit of quality first, integrity first, service first business purposes, we are responsive to all customers. Product logo design and laser marking. We are in place. We have 12 advanced laser marking machine, whether it is a variety of text, symbols or patterns, from millimeters to microns. We can achieve as per order. The most secure is the warehouse always full. The biggest confidence than in the hands of goods. Welcome to our tableware warehouse, where we store our finished tableware and semi-finished tableware. Through the orderly discharge of the frame goods, effective in the specification and management of the product, more convenient for subsequent delivery quickly. The first floor of Block C is our company's quality inspection, packaging and warehouse delivery area, where the quality inspection and packaging workshop covers an area of about 1,500 square meters, and the delivery warehouse about 2,000 square meters. About 50 quality inspection and packaging personnel work here every day. The quality inspection and packaging workshop includes the quality inspection area, the e-commerce distribution packaging area, and the traditional foreign trade packaging area. Here, every staff member needs to adhere to the tenet of strict control and quality first, so as to resolutely prevent the outflow of defective products. Carefully check each product and ensure that it is packed and delivered. The second floor of Block C is our comprehensive office area, with about 110 employees and an office area of about 2,000 square meters. The personnel administration, finance, procurement, art, new media, B&D and C&D sales teams all work here. Our B&D team is divided into 2 major sections, online and offline. The online platforms are Alibaba and International Alibaba, while the offline platforms are mainly traditional foreign trade. The C&D team covers multiple e-commerce platforms, divided into 2 major sections at home and abroad. The domestic C&D includes Tmall, Taobao, Jingdong, Pinduoduo, Douyin, Kuaishou, etc., while the foreign C&D includes Amazon, Temu, AliExpress, eBay, Wish, Lazada, Shopee, Shopify, TikTok, Ozon, etc. Among them, traditional foreign trade and major e-commerce platforms are our sales force, with an overall annual sales volume of about 130 million in 2022 and about 100 million in 2023. Block C, the third floor, is our sample room, with a total area of 1,000 square meters. There are knife, fork, spoon series, kitchenware series, and daily necessities series. This is the area for kitchenware, and this is the area for knives, forks, spoons. Our products are diverse, with independent import and export permission, per annual supply to foreign supermarkets, hotels, restaurants, and online stores, etc., and have been widely recognized and praised by users in foreign markets, providing guests with high-quality products and services. We would like to express our gratitude to all our friends who have been following us. We firmly believe that with high-quality products and first-class service, we are capable of meeting various market demands. As our company continues to grow, we look forward to establishing long-term and successful partnerships with you. Let our brand, Firestar, shine brightly for your business, adding brilliance to your endeavors. Once again, thank you for your attention and trust. We look forward to progressing together and achieving success in our future journey.